Agas Mix Peelings Kit, the Dead Sea Peelings, the ultimate system for treating pigmentation and achieving brighter, more even-toned skin on the face. This innovative kit includes 6 preparations for the doctor and for continued treatment at home. Our evaluation process is based on the fresh mix method, which guarantees the highest level of effectiveness. Our assessment is based on natural elements from the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a unique lake located on the border of Israel. Its water boasts a high concentration of minerals, particularly valuable for cosmetic procedures such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, bromine, and many others. The use of products containing minerals from the Dead Sea in peeling treatments can help improve skin texture, stimulate cell renewal, reduce redness and acne, as well as enhance skin hydration and elasticity, ensuring that our kit is safe and effective, suitable for any skin type. One kit is all you need for one patient, and the results are truly revolutionary. Choose the Agas Concept Meso Kit card for a reliable and proven solution to pigmentation and uneven skin tone. With our advanced system, you can achieve the flawless, glowing skin you've always wanted. For more information, contact us at info@agasconcept.com and WhatsApp 0509380759.